So, just a little while ago, finished up a job on changing out some steel pans. Nothing too exciting. I'll probably post some pictures of it on Instagram later. Just want to get up and make a video, get a video posted on this Friday for you. I had one that I was gonna, I just haven't had time. Didn't have time last night to go through and edit it, but I'll get that up probably tomorrow or this weekend sometime when I get some time. I have time. Time is money. That's all I can say. But yeah, just want to talk about a little bit about some stuff that's been happening at my day job. Nothing, which it carries into both, but it just makes you think. And so yeah, so this week the past week and a half, 2 weeks been interesting on my day job. There've been a lot of, well, I screwed up good last week, and I'll be the first to admit it. I didn't quite follow procedure as I was supposed to, and I ended up screwing something up that wasn't a huge deal, but it is a big deal. It was a big deal. It should never have happened what happened, but it's something that can be fixed. It's gonna be fixed. It's just caused a lot more paperwork fiasco. And like I said, it should never have happened. There's a two-part thing to get into to keep this from happening. Regardless, it's happened. I freaked up. It was all my fault, really. So that's just one thing that happened, and I didn't like it. Man, the fact that happened was terrible. But you can look at it one of two ways. Man, everything's out to get me. Oh, it was set up for failure from the beginning. Yeah, you can say that or the other, or you can say, hey, that happened. I messed up. I overlooked something that I shouldn't have, and it happened. And all I can do is fess up to it and take the consequences as they are. And that's what I did. As soon as I realized it happened, I talked to my supervisor and then talked to his supervisor in a sense. Got it worked out. Still, they want to do a little investigation on how it happened to begin with, which makes sense. And that was end of last week. And then this week I had some issues. Well, there's a whole bunch of paperwork not being right, not on my end, but coming in the shop. That should have been double checked before we started working on them, but we didn't. And that one thing led to another one, and there's a whole bunch of, did a whole lot of standing around and waiting to get answers on things before we were able to weld on that stuff. Yeah, and we had some inspectors in there, and I was getting frustrated with everything I tried doing. I was either doing wrong or I was to wait on questions. You couldn't stay busy. You couldn't do anything. So that being said, it was a little frustrating. And when you're constantly doing things that are wrong, where you constantly got to ask questions, you get frustrated, and you just get fed up at some point. And yeah, so that happened, and it just is what it is. But at the end of the day, if you're working a day job, you can get stressed out. You can get stressed out about stuff, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. And like I said, if you do mess up, fess up to it. Because when I was talking to my supervisor, I said, yeah, there's a lot of people that would just fix it over, and then would have got caught on the other side, or would have got caught in the paperwork, and then it would have been a big old deal. And I've seen people in my job that they did a very similar thing, but instead of fessing up, they tried covering it up. And needless to say, they don't work there no more. And just one of those things that I just want y'all to think about is, when you mess something up, fess up to it. It is what it is. I mean, if it doesn't mean it's your job, it sucks, but you'd rather be the man that fesses up to it, and most of the time they're a little more lenient on you than just to can you right there. Not saying they don't have the right to, but I'm not saying they won't. But yeah, so we got it worked out, and one thing I struggle with, and I know a lot of people probably do as well, bringing your work life home with you, or vice versa, your home life to work with you. With your home life, don't bring your work life to home. It's not fair to anybody. As y'all probably already, most of y'all I imagine know this, but when you clock out, you should be done for the day on that job. It's a good thing that you do care about it, but if you care too much, where it starts to get in your personal life, and then it's just no good for nobody. It's not fair to your wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is. It's not fair to your children if you do have them. It's just not fair to your family, because it's just not fair to them, man. I mean, by no means am I saying don't give a crap about your job. You do gotta give a crap about that. But just know that when you clock out, you're done for the day. And that's a lot easier said than done. But yeah, I just want to let y'all do that. This is something that's been on my mind, and like I said, my work, I've been going through some stuff, and just nothing bad, nothing terrible. Could have been very bad, but we got through it. We made it work, and that's about all we can do. Sorry for the camera. I'm driving. I'm running over. I don't have to wait for us to do a job, so that should be fun. But yeah, I just wanted to make the video, get it up there for you. I'll probably go ahead and try uploading it now off of my phone. That way y'all got the Friday video, and I'm hoping to get 1 or 2 out this weekend. They already made it. I just need to put them together, and then the dreaded upload. My problem with my house, I have terrible internet. Like, it's like 5 megabytes. I don't even know what I'm talking about when it comes to that stuff, but it's like 5. Or is it like normal people, you get like 100? So, needless to say, videos take forever to upload. I actually got to hook it to my phone to speed them up. But, yeah, so that's just that, and like I said, I just want to get a video up for y'all, so y'all know, and I'll be getting another video up this weekend. But yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to have some build videos coming up here soon. One video is a video of a job that I was on that I was able to film, but I'll let y'all see that when it comes. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe more, and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. Thank y'all. Have a good day.